Hi, this is Homi Adajania, Deepika Padukone and Arjun Kapoor, and you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
Homi Adajania had sent a letter to the cast of Finding Fanny, to the entire crew, and it was a very unusual and amusing letter, and it started with this thing that in these last 50 odd days you could have done anything. You could have trekked naked in stilettos to the South Pole, learned the complex art of living in oxymoronic bliss, and a whole lot of other stuff. First of all, pleasure to have you guys on board Hungama first of all, and how do you react to something like this, that you could have possibly trekked naked in stilettos to the South Pole? When you read that,
That was for Arjun.
It was stilettos? You wear stilettos?
I tried to imagine that.
But you wear stilettos?
Basically, I had once spoken about how I wanted to trek to the South Pole, and he had spoken about how he'd like to wear stilettos because Dimple ma'am is wearing stilettos, throughout the film, and then he let his imagination run wild, and he just merged the two thoughts.
He merged Deepika and my imagination,
right,
and created that letter. But it's very uncomfortable stilettos. Just in case you were thinking about कि मैं भी कोशिश करूँ मत.
But trekking to the South Pole.
I'm just curious actually. No, it's very curious actually. This entire.
So this is Homi Adajania's very insane mind, proactive mind.
Right.
What else? You wrote some other stuff.
I was just basically trying.
No, I had the entire letter as well, but it's I think a long letter.
Yeah, it is.
In case the director of Finding Fanny, in case any of you were wondering what the dash I was doing on set, so that was. You like using the
F word. That actually was the only truthful thing he's written. That we were all wondering what he was doing on set.
Right. You like using the F word and the profanities, like
the Faridun word. Yeah, I don't think about it. Unfortunately, it just keeps slipping out. I think it's just a matter of bad upbringing, I guess. Take it up with my mom, yeah, it's not my problem.
Actually, we did an interview with Saif and Deepika and Dinah for Cocktail, and Saif said that Homi Adajania should not be doing interviews because the sort of stuff that he says should not be said in the interviews, and that's what Saif in fact feels about it.
Told you don't do this.
What a prude, yeah?
Told you don't do this interview, don't listen.
Slap you guys, man. I was forced to do this interview. I didn't want to do it.
That's what I'm saying. I told you not to do it, but you didn't. You insisted.
They don't like taking me out in public.
And you have this, I think, huge fixation for the bum of Miss Kapadia, and you made your wife just work on that. How was that experience actually? Yeah?
You have an obsession with the bum, and you made your wife work on it.
In fact, Anahita has said that it was quite fun trying different levels of big bums on Dimple. It was quite a ride. That's what she has said in one of the making. And
yeah.
So, what was the brief like?
The brief.
And how was the entire chemistry between you guys that you're telling your wife that make a huge bump for Dimple Kapadia?
The chemistry between, I don't know about that, but
do you think from those perspective you don't?
Never.
Okay.
I just.
He doesn't.
In fact, I think my fault is that I don't really waste any time between what goes on here and what comes out here. So it puts me in trouble sometimes. Right. But in terms of Dimple's bottom in the film, the idea was she is extremely comfortable in her own skin, and she actually, as the character, sees herself in a very different image.
Right.
And therefore, I wanted her to have this extremely attention-grabbing derriere, which didn't look false. It looks like, like a lot of women who just become heavy on the hips as they grow older. But she likes it, she flaunts it, and it's actually a bit of a defense mechanism. So there are nuances in the film that there's a reason why it is like that. But
in fact, he feels that she's become a Bobby once again, but she feels like she's looking more like a Boba or like a Bobada. So what is your
Bobada?
So what is your reaction like, you guys, when you just
when we saw her
right
with the prosthetic bum? I didn't know her. I'd never met her before that.
So in fact, Arjun didn't know she was wearing a false bottom.
Yeah, I didn't.
A lot of people didn't know.
I didn't. I just thought she's
worked
very hard for the role to look the character. I assumed that for the first day.
Right.
My first day of shooting was with her.
Right.
I think I'm going to get beaten up for this interview.
In fact, you have, I think, quite a few tough scenes with her. Like,
yes,
just tell her to shut up, and she just.
We have our equation in the film is we don't like each other and we make no bones about it. She doesn't like me and she wants everybody else to know that she doesn't like Savio, and Savio does not want her in his space, and he makes it evidently visible to all of them. But actually the interesting part is that we really got along well on set. So it allowed us to play those characters with conviction, because there was never any ये मेरे से ऐसे क्यों बात कर रहा है या ये character ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए, वो सब हुआ नहीं, thank God. And she's a very warm and sweet person, and these two have now lost interest in my answer, and they're just nodding. Because the whole day they've been thinking they'll do that and it'll be really funny.
Right.